Welcome back to my channel again, guys. You don't know, it's your girl Sweet Pea. They here at St. Elizabeth Ginger Hill Primary School at a graduation. This is one of my little fans. She decided she want to take a picture with me, so why not? The place is real nice and thing. So when I come up here, I realize I have a lot of fans up here, so I meet and greet. And this is the school. It's nice and thing. Graduation never start yet, however, so we are going all our vibes and meet up couple people, and you understand. So you see that little boy here now, he's my favorite. The first person who come up to me and make me know say man him classmate. Now stop watch out the movie them, and him can tell me everything we are going in the show. So in the meantime, I'm gonna just go and look around and see what's taking place. The little girl right here, so with the balloon over her head, a lot of data. Yes, I'm a big fans there again. Me I take picture with him and him 30, and this little girl, she not left me none tall. Everywhere me turn she. Me a lot of day I saw go on all our vibes. We are dancing, but guess who I selector? Yeah, no Nick. Right,
yeah man, I know say I want talk up TV family I represent the thing down. Right there so. Yeah man. Ginger with there no man. You know say Amelia graduation. You see me I say, yeah man.
Check out the shows no man.
Yeah man, check out the thing no man. I them way there, you see it?
Yeah. Check out the show.
Natural, you see it?
Check out the show.
Right there so. Oh, big up yourself yeah my daughter, you do good, you make me nearly cry. Swear to God, you see it? Yeah man, you know say daddy endorse the thing forever, you see it? Yeah man. Oh. Boom boom. Taxi, no you go. Boom boom boom. Family. Oh. Take a picture.
The tree over there. Yeah man, we take whole heap of picture. We look nice and thing. We are drink pineapple vodka. Every turn you turn and me have a buckle. Check out my ears. It look nice. Watch me in front of people them care to know. And then again, me say lot of bossy just because he in a full suit of white, he ma move like him a pilot or something. He out and clean, you know, big up yourself, Lato. You don't know say Nika driver, so everybody clean to the bone. One talk up TV to the world. Yeah man, we have a wonderful time, and on our way coming back, we book up on one little stream. When I done you come and make me come wash mine. Jesus, body, that body.
Slide, you know.
Let me show you what I do just now. Yeah man, it's nice. Nick go wash your hand and come back down. The water cool and nice, guys. Me know say one love right here. So, see lot of baby mother there. Me think say the woman they go up on the top, go wash her and look which part she a go. Let's take a picture.
Mine a slide when you go. Just take your time,
Yeah.
Take your time and go up there.
Sorry no one catch up on the blog.
Oh man, cool over there, so.
Yeah.
Cool man.
Cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Water nice.
Nice, no?
Yes.
Water nice.
Yeah, what you do that one, you know, I'm wash here, so.
You feel it? You feel the water?
Yes.
You two and two. The water nice.
No, I got no soap, no neighbor. See?
Alright. No, they're left.
Don't put that on the bathroom, on the bathroom, can't come.
No man, I lift up the water and come on with it.
No, take your water cap on. Take it down cap on. Yeah?
Where they go now? Where they go around the side they go?
I want to pull this here, while Mary, I forgot to touch it.
Mine is slide when you come off. When you come off, you just take your time and go down there, so.
Take time. Take time.
Shana know where it is. You know you have
Take time, yeah?
to see yourself. Take time, Shana, take time.
No, I'm a drop man. I have to let me come slide it. I'm a rock stone, that's it. You put your rock stone in your hand, go for it. Body!
Water cool, man. A cool rock.
Eh? Yeah, just go on your plate. You have made it to the end of the short little vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace out.